Hey guys, it's Makeupbyjalesse here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing and putting on this awesome Kiyari Wet Lace Sensational Synthetic Lace Front Wig. You guys, I've been seeing so many reviews about this wig, so let's just go ahead and get started. Now, what you saw was me putting on the wig cap. I honestly did not know if I needed a wig cap or not, but that wig cap was really throwing this whole wig off and it just was not working, so I ended up taking it off and it was better this way for me. So I've been hearing like a lot of really good reviews about this wig, and I thought I'd give it a try because it just looks bomb, especially for a synthetic wig. So as you can see, it's already pre-plucked. I like this a lot. It has such a natural hairline, and it comes with baby hairs, which you'll probably see. Who is texting me right now? It comes with baby hairs, as you will probably see me do later on in the video. So right now I'm just tinting the lace with my makeup. My makeup foundation is a liquid form. I usually don't use liquid, I use powder, but today I was just kind of like rushing through this. So I just grabbed my liquid foundation. So as you can see, it's kind of blended in, but I will go back in and touch up the lace and to tint it a little bit more with makeup as I continue. But I'm just loving this hairline. Looks so natural, and the texture is super soft, you guys, super soft. I was so amazed that this was a synthetic wig, and I believe it's a 13x6, so that means with the width and the length. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. When I cut my lace, you guys, I always do like a zigzag motion, so it kind of takes me some time. I don't just cut straight across, because sometimes when I used to cut straight across, it was looking really funky and it just did not look right. So I usually just create like a little kind of zigzag motion when cutting the lace. Now, you guys have been slaying these wigs. I saw a review by TJ. She slayed this hair, you guys. So she was like the one that made me really want to get it. I was like, okay, I need that hair. She looks bomb. Her hair is bomb. Let's try it. So that is my motivation. I'm sorry, people keep texting me. Like, nobody texts me, and now everybody wants to text me when I'm trying to do a voiceover. So right here, what I am doing is I am just taking the Got2b spray, and I'm slicking my edges back. The problem I have a lot of times with lace fronts is I have a lot of baby hair in the front of my hairline, on my hairline, so it kind of gets in the way. So what I like to do is I'll take like an edge control, or I'll take the Got2b spray and slick my edges back a little bit more. I didn't want to do the ball cap method because this is a synthetic. I'm not going to keep it on. Oh, another thing, when I looked at the reviews, a lot of people were complaining that the hair matted up. You guys, this hair will mat up if you're trying to wear it for weeks and not taking it off. This is a synthetic wig. They're not human hair wigs, so when you try to sleep in them and you wear them, it's going to be a disaster. So that's another tip. Now, what happened here, which I don't know what happened with my camera, I usually blow dry the lace down, but for some reason I guess it did not show that clip. My camera's been tripping a lot lately. But yeah, blow dry that lace down to melt it into your skin. And now I'm touching the remainder of the lace up with eyeshadow closer to your skin tone. So if you want to use eyeshadow to blend in the lace, make sure it's closer to your skin tone, the color you're using. Now I'm just pulling down the baby hair, because like I said, it already came with baby hair, so it wasn't really hard to kind of create baby hair for this wig when it's already there for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut and style my baby hairs. I think my lace was popping off right there. So again, I'm just going to cut my baby hairs. It's pretty self-explanatory, and with some Lotta Body styling foam, I lay my baby hairs. Also, you can use edge control. I usually go back in with edge control to kind of seal them down, because sometimes Lotta Body doesn't stay the way I want it to. So I went back in, and I'm just applying a little bit of edge control. And then baby hairs take time, you guys. It takes a lot of time and patience. I'll probably go back in and do this probably a couple more times, because my baby hairs be tripping. So I'm just going to continue that. This wig is bomb, you guys. And I already posted it on Instagram, and everybody was asking like, what is that your hair? Like, everybody thought it was like my real hair. And I really love the volume. I really love that it kind of gives me like that 90s, you know, like silk press that we used to get back in the day. Well, boy, I'm talking about me. I was not even that young to be getting my hair like that. But like in the 90s when they would have that natural silk press, like this what it reminds me of. Now I'm looking at the part because it looks so natural, and I will probably touch that up with makeup. You can use this wig any kind of way. In a middle part or side part. I like side parts, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do a side part more than likely. So I'm putting a scarf around my head to secure my baby hairs. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I will come back, and I think that will definitely be it. So I'm taking the scarf off. Remind you, I'm gonna probably touch up my baby hair and then just blend some more makeup into the lace, because I felt like the lace was showing a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here. And you can style it, you guys. Style it however you want, middle part, side part. Like I said, I'm a side part girl most of the time, but I'm just testing out here, combing it out, making sure it doesn't nap up, because like I said, again, this is synthetic. I'm sorry, I don't know why I zoomed in, but you can barely see you can barely see this part. Lord, what is going on with me? But like I said, I'm gonna do a side part, and that's pretty much it from this video. I will definitely recommend this wig, especially if you're just on the go, ready to go. You're going to a party. Like I said, do not sleep in this wig, y'all. Do not sleep in this wig. It is synthetic. It will match up. See a side part. Oh, bomb. I love this wig, and you guys should try it. It was only like $40, $45, I believe. So this is the final look, both middle part and side part. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.